Hey Nate, just wanted to make a quick video to go over, especially the request for showing how to edit the testimonial section. Um, this one's pretty simple. So you take your login and you go to thoroughaccounting.com/WP admin and sign in. And then I basically just hover up over here when I'm on the dashboard from this area, and it'll have a view site option when you're in the dashboard, and it'll take you to your home page. That's just the easiest way for me to get there. How you hit edit page, and once the page editor loads, the testimonials are actually controlled by just a copy paste type input field here on the page editor. So you'll see it's called review slider. So you can add an image. That's basically the little mystery man icon that's showing now. If you add image, that image will render in its spot and replace that. And then there's a spot right here to hit add row, and this will add a new review row to the bottom of the list. There's also plus and minus hovers on the right column here that you can use to add or remove based on the order. So if I hit add here, it's going to add it above the review from Melissa. But then also the numbers on the left column, if you hover, you'll see your cursor turns to a move cursor to be able to drag to reorder. So you can drag these into order as however you see fit. So the new review that you sent me came from Travis. We're not displaying a review subtitle, but if you needed one, there's a field for that. And then you just paste it into the review text column. It is dynamic, so that if you wanted to use any kind of HTML tags to style it, like I did with the numbered list on the first one, you can. The other ones are just a brief little review, normal text, so I didn't need to do anything like that on those. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty basic, and then you hit update, and that will add it in the order that it shows on the list, and that'll be a part of your review slider now. Editing stuff like this on the site, most of this is all code based, so it might be something that you might want to send our way. Your other pages are pretty much just a text editor, normal WordPress style. I don't know how much experience you have, but basically all the content is placed into this page editor area. There's a text side, gives you some little quick options for putting in HTML type stuff. HTML can be written here, or it's got a visual side where you can use kind of a standard visual editor to put some alignment and different things like that to your text. So pretty standard there. Little intro to the WordPress dashboard. You can go access all your pages from the page tab, and they'll all be listed there. Any blog post, you can add categories and view posts and add posts there. Uploading any images or other media is done so on the media gallery side. If you needed to add any new forms or update any of the details, maybe on where a form sends to, there's a forms tab, and that'll list all your forms. There's settings for the form settings. You can edit the confirmation message that shows when a form is submitted. Notifications, you can edit what comes to you in the email, which email address it goes to, all of that kind of stuff. And then, of course, there's an add new button to use the drag and drop form builder if you needed to build new forms to put on any pages. So that's pretty much just a rough run through of WordPress and where things are at for your site. Let us know if you have any questions.